Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Najwa binti Muhammad Ramadan. I am Part 1 Science student from UiTM Tapah. I am also from Group 18. In this video, I will be presenting about the cause of explosion in Beirut. On 4 August 2020, a huge explosion occurred in Beirut. Lebanon's Prime Minister blamed the detonation on 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate that he said had been stored unsafely at the warehouse in the port of Beirut city. Let's watch the explosion that occurred in Beirut. Small explosions caused by ammonium nitrate are quite common. However, some major disasters have been recorded, such as explosion at Tianjin, China, Texas City, Ryongchon, South Korea, and Opfor in Germany. The question is, what is ammonium nitrate? Is ammonium nitrate dangerous? Ammonium nitrate is a chemical compound with a chemical formula NH4NO3. This compound consists of ammonium and nitrate anions. This compound bonds with ionic bond. This is how the ammonium ion looks like. This ion is bound by covalent bond. This is nitrate ion. This structure is hybridization of nitrate. Two ions combine with ionic bond. The appearance of ammonium nitrate is colorless and it is also soluble in the water. The industrial production of ammonium nitrate entails the acid-base reaction of ammonia with nitric acid. When nitric acid reacts to ammonia, the result is ammonium nitrate. This is the equation. Ammonia is used in gas form and nitric acid is concentration. The reaction is violent owing to its highly isotonic nature. After the solution is formed, typically at about 83% concentration. As ammonium nitrate is a salt, both the cation NH4 and anion NO3 may take part in chemical reaction. Solid ammonium nitrate decomposes on heating at temperature below 300 Celsius. The decomposition mainly produces nitrous oxide and water. And this is the equation. At higher temperature, the following reaction dominates this equation. Both decomposition reactions are exothermic, and their products are gas. Under certain conditions, this can lead to runaway reaction with the decomposition process becoming explosive. Next, I will talk about the uses of ammonium nitrate. First, ammonium nitrate used in algae culture as fertilizer. Second, ammonium nitrate used for making pyrotechnics as a material in cold packs. Third, ammonium nitrate used for scientific demonstration. Fourth, ammonium nitrate used in explosive. Example of explosive containing ammonium nitrate is astrolite, amytal, and ammonal, and more. Ammonium nitrate can explode through the two mechanisms. First, shock to detonation transition. An explosive charge within or in contact with a mass of ammonium nitrate causes the ammonium nitrate to detonation. Second, deflagration to detonation transition. The ammonium nitrate explosion results from a fire spread into the ammonium nitrate. And this is what's happening in Beirut, or from ammonium nitrate mixing with the combustible material during the fire. The fire must be confined at least a degree for successful transition from a fire to an explosion. Now, you guys know the cause of the explosion in Beirut. We have reached to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!